Tungsten crucibles produce from tungsten raw materials through sieving, blanking, isostatic pressing, rough blank turning, intermediate frequency sintering, and fine turning processing are mainly used in coating machines and coating equipment. Molybdenum crucibles is made of molybdenum powder. Since the melting point of molybdenum is as high as 2610 degrees Celsius, they are widely used in core containers in industrial furnaces. Tantalum crucible is resistant to high temperature and has a long service life.